See this, guys? See this? Complete snow falling from the roofs and windy outside. So till Monday morning, the weather is just going to be same like this. It is going to be very difficult even to walk and go to your workplaces. If you are in New York City, avoid traveling because there is salt all over the roads and it is low visibility. Avoid traveling. Be safe, guys. It's just for 1 or 2 days. You are not going to make $1 billion in that particular time. See this? How much is there? Yeah. So I am removing this by hand, but you don't have to remove it by your hands. That's how they clean the streets when it's snow. If you like this shot, like, comment and subscribe to my channel.